Hello and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Still going to continue on some side quests before we go and do the main thing. We're going to go find the missing head chef on the mining world. That is just trippy. So trippy. There's some seeds here as well.
Oh, apologies. Angry noises. Hi, Jim.
So many things to do, but for now we'll just continue with the side quest.
If you're going that way, could you look around for Chef Tulio? She was supposed to be back with ingredients an hour ago. Don't know if she's hurt.
Sure, I can keep an eye out.
Appreciate it.
Oh, I just continue forward.
I've had a rough time today.
Rivet, I have an incoming radio transmission.
You there, with the fuzz in the ears. How would you like to help create our galaxy's next food dish of the century? Don't answer, it's rhetorical. Just make your way up to Crystal Ridge, and we shall get started.
That must be Chef Tulio. She did not sound in danger. Hold on. How are those robo-mutts floating?
Oh shit. Oh. Wait, hold on a second. Oh. That was actually sort of terrifying. Hey, we have a full armor set. That's not too bad. As for this one, melee. I'm not a big melee person in this game. If I was, definitely would use that. And I got all the boxes as well. Onwards.
Pretty sure we can reach Crystal Ridge through this cavern.
Oh well. There we go, circle. I forgot the controls.
I see the culinary life calls to you too. There should be quarry jumpers nearby that can help you get up here.
Oh, that was I was like, you talking about the giant gem things that takes us between different dimensions? I saw that.
Come! I am Chef Tulio, and like all great artistes, I can only create beauty when I'm suffering.
Okay.
To make my greatest dish yet, I must harvest the Sarangian honey below us with this vacusuck. But doing so requires my full attention, so I'll need someone to defend me from those allergic to brilliance. If you wish to be a part of culinary history, start the extraction sequence with that hammer crank.
So, what's
This
the
is
dish?
weird.
There's better like a... I do not know yet, but it will come. I can feel it. Now it'll take a moment for the machine to warm up. So ha! Here they come! On the left! Use the button on that side to activate my trap! Splendid! I could not abide by the stench of pesticides, so I thought, why not go back to my roots? Barbecue! Ha! They're coming from the right! Activate the trap on the right! Before they damage the vacuum suck and scare away my muse! Delicious! The trap protects the vacuum suck, but they take time to reset. Can't have them overheating, can we? And that's my preamble, or as we like to say in the culinary world, the appetizer. Now, it's time for the main course. It begins! Here they come! Defend me while I dig deep for my inspiration.
Yep. This is definitely one of the weirder ones.
No guns, only
Marvelous! Yes, I can feel an idea coming to me. A Sarangian? Honey glazed? Puffoid!
Wait until she says Lombax? Yeah. Lorax is Dr. Seuss.
More honey!
Just think of those hungry miners, Ribbit. We need this.
I don't think I'm going to be killing those ones. Just an odd feeling. That was a close call. Or the bolts.
Yes, yes, yes! The drink shall be a certified magma mead! But those miners deserve a dessert too! Which means we need to suffer one last time!
I don't want to suffer.
Let the final extraction commence!
Gotta say, one of the weirder missions in Ratchet and Clank.
Don't let those sweaty meatheads touch the vacuum suck! Our masterpiece is almost complete!
Oh, leveled up, yay, finally.
Eureka! The dessert shall be an upside-down Snagglebeast honey mousse! Oh, yes! Much suffering. But now my imagination has woken from its slumber! This honey smorgasbord will be beautiful!
What suffering? You didn't do anything.
Thank you for your assistance. Perhaps this will inspire you to make your own art one day.
I'm just happy those miners are finally gonna get some grub. Now, how do I get back to them? Oh, that security taxi should do the trick.
Click the bulls. Oh, that's the wrong button. Ah. I have 4 out of what I'm guessing 9. Oh, it says 10. 10. I'm at 4 out of 10. What does this do? Golden hammer, pirate sword, swordfish, key. Okay. I can turn it into a keyblade. Interesting.
Everyone here has been so happy to see you, Rivet. How long have you known them?
We only just met, actually. Clank and I picked up some Bleezon earlier and, ended up saving the entire planet.
Wow.
Nice. Is that it? Oh, yeah, that's mission deemed over. Cool. I haven't been here that long, so we'll go do Ratchet's mission with the monk.
I hope Ratchet's staying out of trouble.
Oh, actually, with Ratchet, let's give you more XP boost. Okay, so I did a lot of traveling around here, as you can see. Go do this mission. There was probably a teleport I could have used, actually, now thinking about it.
Hi there. Good to see you.
I'm glad you have decided to return.
Speaking of teleporters, there's one. I messed up. Nah, I'm just that good. That's all that is. Hello.
Whoa, can it be? A brother Lombax? You, know we're not related, right? Yeah, we are. By our mutual thirst for knowledge. Check this out. A shrine the Lombaxes built ages ago, containing a lorb stuffed with ancient info. but only a Lombax can unlock its secrets. If you could bring me 3 lords, I'll hook you up with a sweet piece of armor I dug up.
A Lombax shrine?
I found some of those already.
Radical! One last thing. Shrines won't open if there are bad vibes nearby, so if there are, you'll have to clear them out. Wait a second.
Yeah, I need to have all of them.
Hey, if you can bring me 4 more lords, I'll give you some chest armor to match those legs. On Mark the Brother Lombax does it again. Woo! Here's a sick-looking chest piece to go with those sweets.
Oh, he's marked. Oh, cool. We only need 5 more. 7, 12, 1. Yeah. Damage from. Interesting.
Sweet legs. The only thing missing now is a righteous helmet. If you collect the rest of the Lorbs, it's yours.
Sure. Let's just do that for the rest of the episode. Oh, how the fuck am I meant to get up there? Can I use you? Wait, weird camera angle. There's gotta be like a ramp or something around here for me to use, right? What's this purple thing? Oh, teleporter. I found the ramp. No, nearly overshot it. There. That one was down there.
Oh my, what will we learn now?
Oh, it's just here. Oh, 3 more to go. It's slightly easier to get than what I thought I was. Are you?
Which is making me wonder what else there is about the Lombaxes we still don't know.
Well, since I now know that they did not reboot the series and all of that, like I was informed of, I feel lied to. This is why I don't believe everything you see on the internet. The Lombax we saw in the game where like you fucked around with time and stuff, he was sort of into fighting. What the heck? Could we shoot that? Oh. Weird puzzle. But yeah, like, he was... I get he had been in exile and some shit had happened. But... what happens if the Lombaxes are like a war-type species? Oh, I jumped too early. But yeah, like... I guess we'll find out at the end of this game. Maybe. Oh my god, there we go. There we go. But yeah, it will be interesting to see. I do wonder if we'll see the Lombaxes at the end of this. Me up, I think. Oh, hello. You. That's right. There's a bouncy mushroom over here. Okay, so we need one more, which is all the way over here. Which I think I found and decided not to get to do it on video, but then the other ones I got by accident, so I was just meleeing like an idiot. Sorry, just coming to like go super fat. Ow. But it's cool that they decided to just give us the remainder locations. Oh shit, I don't want these things. Come on. There we go. Ooh.
Brother Lombax! Brother Lombax! You found them all! Oh man, come on back to see me. You're gonna flip at this helmet.
Will I though? Will I really?
I don't even... You just helped save Lombax history for generations. My brothers and I, thank you.
It was an honor, brother.
Jeez, see, that helmet makes me question the Lombaxes. Just a wee bit. But yeah, I think there's like one more like golden bolt somewhere around here. Oh, can I help you? Thank you.
here for weapons or ammo? I'm betting both.
Might as well just grab this. We're gonna need to get the rest later. Might upgrade this a bit, but also this. No, that needs to level up first. Alright, well, I'll see you in the next part where I think I'll do Ratchet side quest main mission first, and then I'll do the other one. Alright, see you in the next part. I hope you, as always, like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.